Welcome to TNV's Toddler View. Welcome to TNV Toddler View. ABC puzzle.
Let's see the ABC puzzle, V.
What is it?
ABC puzzle.
ABC extra large floor puzzle. We're gonna learn our ABCs today.
It even has
Learn
little
ABC for kids and toddlers. Melissa and
little
Doug.
animals that start with a letter, and we can go through the sounds of the letters.
open it.
Let's open it. We start with the letter A.
What comes
What
after
comes after A, Tegan?
B.
B. Look, is this a B?
Yeah.
Do you think these go together?
Yeah.
Oh, perfect.
What sound does A make?
And what does A stand for?
Alligator.
Alligator.
What sound does B make?
Tegan, what sound does B make?
Ba.
B is for
B.
Bussy bee.
I'm going
What's after B? A, B,
C.
C. Silly? I think this is part of the C. Can you put it over here? Let's build the puzzle over here, Phoebe. Can you put it right here? I think it goes right there. Let's check it out.
Check it out. This is the way
Perfect. Here. Look, there's that little kitty cat's face.
Now I want to put together the D for dog.
Okay, hold on one second. Let's look at C. What sound does C make? And what does C stand for? Cat?
Yeah.
Cat. Can you tell me some other things that start with the letter C?
Car.
Car. What else? Do you remember?
Candy.
Candy starts with C. What else is there?
Calculator.
Calculator. That's a great one.
That's
Phoebe,
a
what do you
good one.
think?
Hello.
What about cookies? Cookies starts with the letter Z.
What comes after C?
D.
D.
I'll find a part.
What does D stand for?
Dog.
Dog. What sound does D make?
Duh, duh. You know what
missing
else
its
starts with
tail.
the letter D?
What other things can you think of that start with the letter D?
Duck.
Duck. Yes. What else?
Hey, I found D.
What about daddy?
D. And then comes
E.
E for?
How we put
What sound does E make?
E.
E. E. And then what comes after E?
Can I put together, Mommy?
Yes, of course. F. Fox. What sound does F make?
Mommy.
Great job, Phoebe. Look, Phoebe just put together F, I, J, and K. I think this might go over. Look, do you see this little tail right here? I think it matches that doggy's tail. What do you think? Can we put that together? Yeah.
What letter is that, Tegan?
D.
G?
Yeah.
What sound does G make?
G.
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 G. I think it goes right here. Look, do you see the tail right here? It matches the
Alligator.
alligator's tail. That fits perfectly. A for A.
B.
B for B.
Hey, wait a minute. I mean,
Ca-
starts with apple too.
What starts with apple?
What? It's the A starts with apple.
Apple starts with A, yes. Okay, and what sound does this make?
What is the
D.
part of
D.
this weather? Is this the
E.
part of
F.
weather
F.
H, Mommy?
Elephant.
Mom, this is the part
Everything.
of weather H, Mommy.
F. That's part of the letter H. Oh, that's perfect. I think it goes right. That away.
It's horse.
Horse starts with the letter H. Great job. We can go back through the letters whenever we finish building it.
That was better.
Okay, so we had A, B, C, D, E, F, G. H, I, J, K. What do we need?
L.
L. L is for?
Lion.
Lion. I think it goes right there, Phoebe.
It's a nice tail.
What's the next letter?
I found it hard.
H-I-J-K-L-M.
M is for
Mouse.
mouse. What else starts with M?
Mommy.
Good
And
job.
what sound does M make? Phoebe, what sound does M make?
Good
That's
job,
right.
baby. What comes after M? Let's see. J-K-L-M-N.
Oh.
Is this N? I think
No.
this is part of N.
Look
You
at
wanna put
my
N
key.
It would go over here. We're starting over here now.
Look at my L's part.
Oh, it's part of P and Q. Great job, Tegan. So what's the letter that comes after N? M, N.
Oh.
Oh, we need O.
Yeah. Octopus.
O is for octopus.
Look at letter P's part.
Letter P's part. Go ahead and put your,
Oh, right here.
yeah, I think it goes this way because it finishes in. Awesome.
No, find a part of O. There's that part of O.
Is that part of O? I think this is the rest of it. Look, do you see that little tentacle from the octopus?
You put there.
Right there. Perfect. That's what we have to look for when we're putting together a puzzle, the missing pieces.
Yeah.
Perfect starts with the letter
P. Perfect.
Perfect.
Pig.
Pig. What else?
Pump.
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 Yes.
What else? Because Halloween is here. What was Phoebe last year for Halloween? Pumpkin. Good job.
Look at this, Mommy.
What?
I found the bird's part.
Oh,
Yeah.
what is this letter?
Q.
Phoebe, what is it?
Q.
Q. Do you know what this is called? It's called a quail.
It's a type of bird.
That's a different kind of bird. It's called a quail.
Oh, look, this is a
Lowercase?
raccoon.
These are all. What are these letters all? They're not lowercase. They're
Uppercase.
uppercase letters. What letter is that?
What letters? P.
N-O-P-Q
R.
R. Exactly. This is part of the letter. What part of that letter is that?
T.
T for
Tegan.
Tegan. T is for Tegan. I think it goes right there.
Look, there's still the tiger's paws.
Yeah, the tiger is still kind of missing, so we need to look for him in the puzzle pieces. Can you get the next puzzle piece?
I don't know where is
What
it.
is that?
Tiger.
Tiger. Great job.
Let's go on to letter L.
Great. So we had A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. And then comes
V.
V.
Violin.
Violin. You have the violin part?
Yeah.
Yeah? Go ahead and put it down, Phoebe.
Wait, right here?
That looks like it fits to me.
Yeah.
Great job. What comes after V?
W.
Right. Can you find the W for us, Phoebe?
W.
Good job. There it is.
This is the part of the pig.
It's part of the pig. It's completing the picture of the pig and the top
And the turtle.
and the turtle.
The W is missing the
Oh, that's not a turtle, silly. Look. It starts with a W. It's a worm.
worm. What? Look at that.
Kind of looks like a snake.
Oh,
It does look like a
look
snake.
that down. Look that down.
What comes after W?
X.
X marks the spot.
X.
Look at this, Mommy.
What letter is that?
X is for
X-ray.
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 Great job.
Yes.
What comes after X?
Y.
Do you have Y?
Yeah.
Okay, I think it comes right there.
Okay, right here.
Perfect.
Rhinoceros.
Y and
Z.
Z.
Yay!
Yay! We did it. Now let's go through our ABCs. Ready?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, and then no P. And then we can Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Yay!
Good job, Deegan.
Can you say, you want to sing your alphabet now, Phoebe?
Yeah.
Okay.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Good job, Phoebe.
Good job, V.
And that's just the box.
Yeah. Can you spell Phoebe? What letters? How does you spell Phoebe? Point to the letters that would spell Phoebe.
P,
P. And then?
H,
Yeah. It's up there.
H,
H. And then?
L, O.
O. Great job. And then?
And what comes
P-H-O. And then?
E, W.
E.
W.
No. E.
E.
And then?
F.
What comes after E? P-H-O-E.
B.
Tegan, let
B.
Phoebe go. B. And then what comes after B?
The other E.
Another E. Great job, Phoebe. P-H-O-E-B-E.
B.
Great job, Phoebe.
That's my name. Thank you for watching TMC's Toy Review. Thank you for watching TMC's Toy Review.